Oh, the fireside, so I had that me a wonder.
Are you the most important man?
Alright, see, I looking at the party.
And I'm making kitchen and the fireside. I say what?
I want the banana and a black in Ireland. We have to put black up the pot. Yeah, so orange to squeeze in there. Oh. You have to set it up back one pot, put one little pot around the back here, so?
Yeah, Mama, I set it. Oh, yeah, so man, every family live back, I'm going to set up back.
And you staying up your clothes. I'll peel banana and pot on ready. Curry now, but I can't take curry I drink. Curry now, come see it before. Oh, that's setting fall, yeah.
Young chicken.
Yeah, you see that one, yeah? And him, the rooster that we eat him when we come back, yeah? Rice and peas and country farm.
Young chicken from the farm.
Yeah, I farm this. Oh, yeah.
This one have a little thing from the farm.
Alright, me a record there now. Jabba boy, I build up a thing there?
Yeah, me go and see me can roll up there.
Alright, Baba say my deal with something. So, go see what I go and run a bush mouth, your Uncle Murphy. Everybody a fix me up, you know. Them a look about me around here, you know. Yes, man, them a look about me. Them a look about me, man. That a win.
What do you give me about him? I can't come about my game for game for me. I say yes, man. Him buy pound of rice, can't come give me. I can't game for like come give me. Can't come give me. Just cook off the rice here. Well, curry one people of rice. Me buy. Me say no, say ratiti out. Ratiti out, you know. I'm a man. I'm a man.
I hear rat. I hear rat curry.
We'll just stop with it. The one did, no, the one did. No, man, no, that was black and white.
You see how we peel banana parry? And then we peel the banana, you know? Just cut it and get a mark. Jamaican style. And we just suck off the skin.
Me hungry now, you know. Give me a pot of water and all and it boil up here.
Hot water, you don't get.
Alright, I want a cup of water when it's stinging.
When it boil down.
You know, no pepper, bird pepper. No bird pepper, no, they want to see bird pepper.
Bird pepper, long time. I say bird pepper.
Jackor. You see snap before?
Alan, do that, you know.
Then not peel the food.
Alan, to do something.
He might peel the food, then he peel the yam. No, he peel the yam and peel the banana.
I go for water.
So we have
water.
Hurry, are you for start out the fall?
What you do? You just need the flour. Me put it on the pot.
Face dark.
I'll make you too.
About you, fireman, you know, remember that.
Are you going to play it?
No, we don't want to move fire yet, Bosh. Tease up the fire, Alan. Tease up the fire.
I make it want water. I make sure you go for water.
It might season up the fall. The fall wash already. You sure?
Where powder seasoning?
I don't care powder seasoning. I don't use the powder seasoning. I just use put enough of that and rub it up with the I don't use them too tough in a curry. I don't deal with them. I used to use them and I kind of break away from them. And you rub it up enough with that, man. Put enough ice skeleton in there. You know, look at black pepper. Oh, you know, use the black pepper? Oh. Oh. And put the salt to taste and country pepper. No, I don't use it once so I look up now and then music. He don't use it, you know?
No, for use.
She don't use it at all.
Maybe I'm hammer them for use and beat out black pepper, seed beat out black pepper.
Me know.
In time, stick on.
Where Alan there? Alone. Alan. Oh, that a keen. Look like a keen come to me.
Hmm?
You lighter.
No, no, look in my pocket once later. I have in my pocket.
You're good. Me like how you go on there, so you good. You something there. But Alan said that 3 days some like some.
Straight, take out your lighter, this? No. This.
Yo.
A bike keen ride? I must see him. But not keen. Look like a breezy. I know breeze. You rubbing me in. You rubbing me in. Curry, I rub up with chicken, eh? But curry, yeah. Curry, this look like I do on pepper tree. A pepper tree? How can I pepper?
Like a big pepper too.
This done, man.
Try.
No, you know no more, Alan. Alan, I want you put the thing in a spray pan and dig a hole and set the thing about shoot it before I left here, you know.
Alan.
You know that, you know.
Yeah, salt come sprinkle like a more salt pan. Yeah, bag.
You know that bag there will itch up on the door right there, so. If you say we want something else, Jack, or?
This one. This one, the powder seasoning.
You can put like a Maggi seasoning pan. You want a Maggi seasoning pan?
Yes, man.
Alright,
Alan.
But one of them boy go buy Maggi seasoning
You
now.
can get some Maggi seasoning, baby.
Yeah.
You understand? You need some seasoning.
You can't throw enough chicken. But show me how man I use it, you know. I just use my some other little, you know, coriander. Yeah, you know, we don't have them something their country. But me kind of not bother with them again. But nothing around.
Season, will you give me nice?
Yeah.
Nice.
Alright, me I make them boy get this in. Busy there. Video me I come there. Hold on there. No. So far, me get to clean pot water. Alan, body rent a waxy man. Woo! Where? Wow! Rent a waxy. Man, Barry. Man, the rent a waxy. A long time I eat this. Pot water. Come in. Hey, a long time I get this here, boy. Gum. Pot water with scotch bonnet pepper. Tell me what you know about that. What go on, sir? What you say?
Wait, fart, man. No fart, no there.
Yes, Alan.
Alan, where you long fart?
They in the house there.
Yeah, long fart, come give me now.
You put something on the curry. Him not buy, him buy something, you tell him.
What in there?
Me don't know. What him name? Tuke?
Marky.
Marky.
Okay.
Marky.
Okay.
What is something them when you buy there?
Okay.
Marky, where is something when you buy there?
Marky. What is seasoning them when you buy there? See breezy, yeah?
How me give season all out?
Me don't know. You not. So what you say? You're there on the meat, you know, Jackor? Yeah. Then she want go and knife pot then no curry. Yeah, brown him up then now, Jackor?
Yeah.
Alright. So, that's a happen around this, so see? Yeah. And the pot of food there, yeah. Yeah. You got to put it, man, the pot on over in a curry. Yeah. Because the duppy then warm here, you know.
Yeah, man. You know that.
But me here, them all for pot cup around here. Yes.
Now put the more wood on the fire.
Now put them more wood underneath. The curry pot there in a party. I'm not lying no curry. It's all them pretty. So we say that's something I'm stand up and eat to carry up on the wood fire.
Yes.
I know we never know. Yes. We know now. It's all them pretty curry. I'm not telling you lies.
So the jerk seasoning,
yeah.
it bring the color.
Ah, Theo, curry cooking this in a party.
Jerk seasoning.
Yeah. Curry over gully there. And see what fire blaze underneath there.
Yeah, man.
And see the rest of season up chicken here.
Yes, man.
And everything so nice like a pound of rice. Yeah, pot of food. Where the jackor? Pot of food down a gully here. Whoa. I have so nice curry. Show them the curry. This is the original brown stew chicken pan wood fire.
Yes.
Talk to them about it, curry. Show
This
them
are
it.
the original
No ketchup.
brown stew chicken. No browning. No,
No
ketchup,
ketchup.
Just fry and
And
cook down.
cook down.
Yes.
Show them the gravy, jack curry.
See how my gravy stay?
Yeah.
I'm going to show them my
Show
gravy
them
stay.
it. Show them the jack curry. Yeah.
Look on it.
And
You
them,
see?
yes, sir.
That's the
Good,
gravy.
sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ready for
Original
share.
wood fire.
Ready for share.
Brown stew chicken. Take a piece of meat. They turn over. Show them jack curry.
Yes, man.
That's how we cook around a bush mount here, you know,
Man,
boy.
this is meat, you know, man.
Yes, sir.
This is meat, you know,
Yes,
man.
sir.
Yeah, man. Well cooked.
Yes, man.
And
So
brown
what you
and
say, if
everything.
them come a yard, yeah, them a breed of food there,
Oh,
yeah.
Lord God, them now, maybe them all want it, but can go foreign.
At you.
That's the place, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because I'm born to cook.
Yes, sir.
I am a
Make them know how you man and feast as somebody else has said,
yeah,
you know.
Rasta know well this attack, you know.
Yeah.
I'm born for cook, sister.
Yes, man.
So anyone who want me, I will come for look for me.
Yeah.
I am ready for you.
So you go cook for them.
And I can accommodate you know.
Round our
By
yard.
cooking, by accommodating you know, by living somewhere.
Yes, sir.
And everything. make
And
you
all
know.
of that.
And all of that.
Okay.
You understand?
Blessings.
Most thanks.
Wow, me have to show you party them. Oh, me little St.Mary family. Look what I go on for Mama Veranda. On the yell up everybody. Look what I go on for Mama Veranda. Look where I go on for Mama Veranda party.
Big up, big up.
Yeah, Uncle Murphy him run here, so I'm going good run a bush mouth here. That a go on from Mama Veranda in the... Yeah, man, everybody good? Everybody good?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, man. That a go on from Mama Veranda Party in Sunday, yeah. Blessings and majesty and power. Yeah, man. Yeah, that a go on from the veranda party. Yeah, you look broke down veranda, yeah. But God a God, we are going to get it up, man, yeah. That a go on, yeah. That's how we live down a country, yeah. Look a bit. All and that, you know, party.
Yeah, man, the real sly eating, out of the pot.
And so Mama used to eat, you know, Mama love it to type of. And the fireman that Bobo over there, so Bobo clean up him something.
No, man, boss, you are.
No, Bobo show that. Over, two Bobo and Bobo show. Fireman, I'm a run the fire. Alan.
Yeah, it's a dumpling now.
Yeah, man, real country food. Yeah.
Big up.
Yeah. First time I hear from Bobo show. Big up yourself, fireman. And Alan that, so. I that for now today we are cut out. Yeah, man, sweet food.
Yeah, man.
And so Mama eat, you know, out of pot.
And with the hand.
Yeah, and with her hand and lick off her finger them. Yes, Rasta man. Let me see if I can get it. Uncle Murphy. Uncle Murphy, watch it there. Watch it there, what the thumbnail, yeah.
Right.
Whoa! That one, your mother road.